Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Snowfall frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done.
Good peoples, what's going on with you? Welcome to another vlog. Yeah, y'all, welcome back. Well, y'all.
Yeah, welcome back. How y'all doing? Good to see y'all. Okay. Now you can go ahead and say, well, y'all. Go ahead, take it from there, baby. Take it from there.
Gee, thanks.
She's so sweet, y'all.
Gee, thanks. Oh, bruh. Y'all see I'm in Chris' room, child. What's wrong with him today? I'm in the little boy room and I'm trying to put this picture up. Trying to put the little boy picture up. I only got some command strips this morning. And I think I'm going to put it on this wall right here. That's what I got going. Where you about to go? You fit? Where you finna? You not going to? Was you finna go to the store? Or you going to work?
Work?
Oh, where I get stove from?
I don't know, but I just came from there.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah,
It don't matter. Yeah, I'm struggling today. But I'm here. I'm functioning. So I'm functioning. Got my command scripts. I pray to God this work out. I really do. Because it's 4 of them in here. Wait a minute, something don't seem right. It's 4. Child. Wait a minute, because that go with that one. That go with that one. Oh, okay, it should work. I should have one. I'm trying to put one on each corner. Yes, that's what I got going on right now. And I gotta do something about these lights. Chris put these lights. Let me see if I can show y'all. Y'all see the lights? Okay, there we go. Chris put them lights up right there, and they were on the back of his headboard. But I gotta do a little organizing. The way he got the what you call it down there? Yeah, something's not. Something ain't working out. And he got this. I don't know what happened, but there's a hole there in the wall. Oh, child, we gotta figure out. I think this chair that he had over there, that might be why he moved it. I think that chair might have done that. I don't know, but I got to figure out because that's not cute. I said, well, let's just put the chair back there to camouflage the hole because we don't want to see that. So anyway, child, let me do this real quick. And then I still need to clean my Frigidaire out. I'm finna get on top of that. I really am. I'm finna do that for real this time. Yep. Because I'm tired of opening up the refrigerator and the stuff just looking at me. Like, we still here. Oh, my God. I can't. So, anyways, let's get this picture on the wall, child.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehaved. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool, bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you. Even if you got
way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance?
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby.
was green on that other side. Guess what? I'ma help you decide. Tattooed on my tears, no, I swear that you won't catch me cry. Got no reasons left to rewind. I gave you my word. Try it again, I'll put you on a bench. Do not disturb. To think I used to dream of being your wife. Cold-blooded. Boy, I'm cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. All this blue ice water in my veins. Memorial service in your name. Cold-blooded. Just because you're my day one doesn't mean you're the right one. I got to keep my options open. For you to come to your senses. Been on it since we was kids. You taught me how to French kiss. Now you so cold with your business, but you still don't know what love is. Love is more than feelings, it's choices. Why we so indecisive? All these years later, still the same. Running, open cycle, but before it closes, I want you to want me, ask me to be more in your life. But if you did, would I run? 'Cause you've been here since day one. You had me from day one. You could have been chosen. I won't be sloppy seconds. My day one. Just because you're my day one doesn't mean you're the right one. I got to keep my options open. For you to finally get serious about me, we never gon' be official. Playing games so childish. Late night creeping on some bull. Let's just say goodbye to benefits and be friends. Wanted you to want me, ask me to be more in your life. But if you did, would I run? 'Cause you've been here since day one. Yeah, you had me from day one. You could have been chosen. days do I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be home, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girl.
Well, y'all, came on here to close this vlog out because, as you can see, I can't do it today. Whatever y'all got is what you got. My emotions, I just can't control them today. So, that's it. I can't do it. I don't have it in me to do anything else today. And I don't care what I do. I keep trying to control it, but I can't. I'm actually to the point where I'm tired of holding it in. And you know, I keep hearing people keep telling me, let him go. You gotta let him go. I don't want to let him go. I'm tired of trying to be strong because it's weighing me down. And I gotta let it out because I feel like if I don't, I'm gonna lose my mind. But I can't do nothing else today, y'all. Whatever I did, that's all I could do. That's all I could give you. And excuse me for coming on here a whole mess, but this real life, and this is how I've been all day long. And that's it, y'all. That's all I can give you. It's all I got right now. I pray tomorrow is better because today's been real rough. I mean, from the time I opened my eyes, it's been rough. So this it. It's all I got today, y'all. So y'all know I love you. I ain't gonna even try to sing. I ain't gonna do that. So this was whatever day this was. I don't know what day we on. 3, 4, 5. I don't know. However, this was it. So once again, I pray tomorrow is better, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you.